Hello! Today I will introduce to you the heavy-duty, premium, single straight-line rip saw. This machine is from the Semac brand, model SA14I. We are installing this particular unit for an exported solid wood furniture factory. The high-power cutting spindle loader, rated at 7.5 kilowatts, handles all types of wood materials with ease. The 14-inch saw blade diameter allows for a maximum cutting thickness of up to 80 millimeters. Despite its compact design, the machine delivers extremely high work efficiency and absolute precision. This is thanks to its robust frame and beam structure, which ensures there is no vibration or deformation during prolonged operation. Contact us to acquire this intelligent single straight line rip saw technology.